Are you thinking of a change? Are you ready for the next big step in your life? Are you ready to build your dream home? Hi, I'm Jared Nyland, and I'm a new home specialist with Designer Homes. Today I'm doing a walkthrough of a current build we have going on to see the progress. This is truly a unique custom home built by Designer Homes, and let me tell you, it's exciting to see the progress of the client's ideas and dreams come together. So you may be nervous about building, and you may have a lot of questions and concerns like, how does the process work? How long does it take? How do I pick up my selections? How much does it cost? These are all great questions, and myself and Designer Homes would love to answer those for you. Designer Homes can build and create about anything you can imagine. We have 3 different collections to choose from, ranging in price and size. You can select one of our existing floor plans and modify that as needed, or we can start from scratch and create something truly unique. The bottom line is, Designer Homes can help you every step of the way, and I would be honored to help you walk through that journey. If you're ready to start the process of building your own dream home, give me a call and let's set up a time to meet and discuss your next big adventure. Let's talk. Jared Nyland with Remax Legacy Realty and Designer Homes, and let's make 2020 your year. Sold by Jared. I'm your realtor. Welcome home.